Hi, this is Tavion with Senior Design News. Today we have a team of developers working on an exciting new project, route-constrained family shopping. I'm excited to be able to ask some questions to their development team and get a better idea of what this product has to offer to our users. So, Eric, what are you trying to design and build?
We are designing an application that assists users in shopping for products in their area. The application contains product information from all stores within a user's area, allowing the user to generate a shopping list. After creating their shopping list, our application will generate a route to each product the user needs based on the shortest trip time, shortest travel distance, and the lowest price. The application seeks to make shopping easier, faster, and cheaper for our users.
Wow, sounds like a useful product. So, Christian, how will it impact the audience's life?
That's a good question, Tavion. Thanks for asking it. The main goal of our application is to help families minimize their shopping costs and minimize their total time spent shopping. And as a shopper myself, I hold those very important.
Those are important values indeed. So, Colin, what are the technical challenges in achieving this vision?
Well, with our project, we have a lot of challenges. For example, one challenge is to keep the database up and running. Now, the database is going to contain items, locations of places, so it's pretty important to our project. And having the database be up and date and fast enough to have the application both run on mobile and web should be sufficient enough. Another would be making an application program interface, or API. This would speed up the process of getting information from the database to the applications themselves. Also, using an API like Mapbox to be able to access the map we need. Think of something like a Google map where you're able to see roads and the route you might take. The next challenge would be having the algorithms work and be fast enough as well. Having a good time complexity so the application can run on both platforms and not impede on the function of the device itself. Finally, having the application and server talk to each other so the application will run smoothly.
Those are some tough challenges indeed. So, who do you think will benefit most from this product, Colin?
I honestly, I might be a little biased, but I think anyone would benefit from using our product. But in reality, it's going to be the people that are looking to actually cut down their shopping trip time and their cost. And this can also help our users ease the stress of creating shopping lists for multiple family members or roommates, just to try to keep everything in a central location so that they can have something everyone can view and add on to and look at. And so, really, the goal of our product is to make a simple and clean interface so that everyone and anyone can use it to have a positive impact on their shopping experience.
So, a very wide target audience. Very impressive. So, what's the proposed timeline look like, Eric?
Great question, Tavion. We will spend the next semester on developing and integrating our components. Beginning on February 1st, we will start development, and we want to have a testable project by March 10th to act as an alpha build. The goal is to have a fully developed and working product that is ready for demoing by April 30th, 2021.
Sounds like a time crunch. So, what do you see as the most useful features of your products, Christian?
Tavion, that's a really hard question to answer. There's a lot of features on our product that I think would be really useful to a lot of our users. But if I had to go for one, I think the most useful feature of our product is how our app can show users which stores have the items they are looking for at the cheapest prices. I mean, this is really going to help ensure our users are getting the best deals when they're shopping.
That would be fantastic. I know I'd love that personally. So, how's the team dynamic amongst you guys, Colin?
So, as you know, team dynamic is always important for a group project, and right now we are in pretty high spirits. We have just had our design plan approved by our management team and are really looking forward to implementing this project for our users. The timeline is pretty tight, as mentioned before, and it's important to remain upbeat and optimistic so that we do not fall behind. So, Tavion, to spin this around on you, what features are you most looking forward to?
Wow, I wasn't expecting this twist. Well, I'd say I'm most looking forward to enjoying the ability to send my family members out to shop for the cheapest items at different stores and arrive back at my house right as everyone else gets back too. This is Tavion with Senior Design News. Back to you, Yep, in the studio of sports.